Have you ever wondered if a future payout is actually worth the cost today? Net present value is the key to solving that puzzle. In finance, we call this concept net present value, or NPV. It helps us compare money earned in the future to money spent right now. The core logic is simple. A dollar today is worth more than a dollar tomorrow because you could invest that cash right now to grow it further. To calculate it, you forecast future cash flows, pick a discount rate to account for risk, and bring those future values back to the present day. Unlike simple return on investment, NPV accounts for the timing of cash flows, making it much more accurate for long-term financial planning. This chart shows how $1,000 received in the future loses value in your calculation the further out you push that payment date. The bottom line is simple. If the result is positive, the project adds value. If it is negative, you might want to look elsewhere. Understanding NPV helps you make better decisions with your capital. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more money basics.